So I went ahead and checked out my hop up and saw it can't even talk. Was seeing if I could fix it, and I think I may have. So right now we're just gonna oil everything back up with this silicone oil, and then put everything back in the gun and get everything working again. So I'll show you how to do that now. Now you just want to oil the hop up just so it slides in easier. And this stuff smells really bad, so alright, now I'll just try not to touch that when you're putting it in. I'm gonna have to do it off camera and then I'll bring it back on. Hang on. Get it started anyway. Okay. It only goes so far anyway. Okay, I'm gonna have to touch the back. Okay. It should just slide right in. Not good. Alright, if it doesn't work, then you have your hop up on a little bit. Which means it's going to be too tight. Okay. Avoid scratching everything. Okay. So what you need to do is turn your hop up off. To do that, use a small little Allen key, wrench, whatever, just to make sure it's turned all the way off. It's actually pretty easy. So yeah. Just make sure your screw's not sticking out, or else the bolt won't go in. I think we're okay. Okay. Yep, slides right in. Alright, so now just kind of spray some oil in there while it's going through. Just because I had my fingers all over it, and it may not go in there all the way. And it should just slide right in all the way to the front. Now right here is what you got to mess with a little bit, make sure everything's angled right, and then you're going to put your screw back in. Okay, once you get it started, just go ahead and find the Allen key that it was. Oops. I'm going to try to make reinstalling just one video. It is going to go to want to go one way in particular. So you're going to have to keep your finger in there to keep it straight. Keep it from like turning inside, or your magazine won't fit. And that's really easy to fix. You just have to take the stock off to fix it, so you don't have to worry about that right now. Alright, next thing you're going to do is we're going to put the bolt back in. Check my time. I'm not sure how much time we have on here right now. But, okay. So, just Oops. Spray the bolt. You want to spray it good. This will keep it oiled. Spray in the track in there too, and then just slide it in. And that should keep it really smooth, which is good. Now, something's not right. Okay, see, that's what I thought was going to happen. Now, see, that's what I was talking about. The bolt right there, you see, I don't know if you can see that. Right there, it's catching on the hop-up screw. So you're going to need to tighten that hop-up screw a little bit. Just enough for it so it to pass by. Okay, like that. And then you close your bolt. Whatever, you don't have to, but no, actually, no, you don't want to close your bolt. You want to leave your bolt open so you can see that little hole so you can put your trigger back on. It should just slide right on. Okay, now the tricky part is getting the screws lined up. Getting both of the screws lined up. You're gonna have to, like, mess with it to get it on there. So, if it doesn't work, don't get frustrated, just keep messing with it. It'll eventually go on. I know I'm off of the camera. Hang on, let me move the camera up, maybe. Alright, there we go. You can see what I'm doing. Sorry, this is kind of difficult to get it started. Because I'm trying to hold it and then screw it in. Alright, I got the front one started. So now I got to get the back one started. Which shouldn't be hard. Alright. Now we're good. Front one's in. Back one's in. Everything's lined up right. So everything's good. Alright. Make sure your screws are snug. Get them tight. Okay. Now that's on. Yep. Alright, let me go to another part for putting the rest of it back together, and I'll get back to you.